guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making fried rice. This is gonna be a bluff one, guys. I've only ever made fried rice once, and it was a big fail, guys. I'm not saying this one's gonna turn out, but this is gonna be my second time making it, and I want to make it with you guys, okay? Whew. Bad memories. Bad memories, that fried rice. It was, guys. I thought I was a professional. Chucked everything in, it just came out like a big clunk, and never again did I attempt. But today is gonna be second try, but this time with us, you, me, and the ingredients. Okay, guys? So why I wanted to do fried rice. So sorry to the person that requested me to do fried rice, and I had said I've already done it once and I'm never going to do it again. I should never say never. But anyway, guys, last night I made rice. No one touched it. How dare they? Anyway, so I thought I'll make fried rice. I'll attempt to make fried rice. Fried rice, so delicious. You know what, my favorite fried rice that I love right now is the one that I go from Forever. They make beautiful photo. Anyway, so I'll try and make a nice fried rice today, guys. Okay, so here are my ingredients. Okay, I chased my kids to get me some barbecue pork from Kapramata, because they were on their way there to buy sugarcane drinks. They come back with sugarcane drinks. This is my order: sugarcane drink, barbecue pork, and a bunch of, spring onions. They come back with this. They come back with pork, but this is the only amount of pork I saved. I wasn't, able to rescue, because my kids, my little ones that stayed home, they got dig into it. So this is all I was able to rescue from it. So here are my ingredients. I got mixed veggies. I have a whole little onion already sliced up, and there's one garlic in there, squashed and chopped up. And I have prawns. I shelled them and chopped them up. See, look, in little bits. Yep. And I have a sauce here. In this little tub here, I put together 3 sauces. So it's soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a bit of sesame oil. Okay, just a little bit, not too much. And I have the oil, and because my son, Red, there's my neighbor, Speedy Bar, anyway, guys. So my son didn't get my spring onion, but I got some dry chives here. Chuck it in, doesn't matter. And salt and pepper in case I need it, but I'll put it over here. Now, what else can get out of my way? Oh, guys, I got 3 eggs. I think I only need 2, but sometimes in the fried rice I look for, egg, not much. They love it. Anyway, I'll put this out of the way. Got the oil. So I'll put these guys to the left. For my Beyonce, to the left. Get out of my way. Yeah. Not bad. Yeah. Okay. I got my handy dandy. Okay, guys. I got my far out. I was thinking, where's the keys? It's on the other side. I tell you, oh my goodness. Anyway, I was thinking, oh my gosh, my kids broke the keys. Lucky Otherwise, we're gonna have Faye kuringa, who broke my la kaurumia. Oh yeah, okay. Guys, I'm gonna turn on my element, and here goes. Okay, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Send me a luck right now, guys. Send me a wish me luck. Lock it. And ta-da! Miss Bees, I know you told me, be careful. Don't worry. I sure will. God willing. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna have a drink of my drink, guys. Sugarcane drink. Oh, rude. Cheers, guys. Oh, so delicious. I love sugarcane drink. I've got two. Wait. La tu la lela heat up the meat. Okay, guys. Alright, here I go. I'm gonna sit back a bit. I have to get this onion fried. Okay. I want to have this onion, like browned up. Okay, and a little bit of garlic down there just to make some lovely flavors. Yeah, I've had also a lovely. Quick over here. How you guys been? Hope everyone's well out there where you are. Just gonna cook down these onions, right? Just to give it a bit of colour. Because, see, the best thing you can do, guys, with your food is always brown your onion. Because it brings out that aroma that's gonna, beautify your food. Make it all tasty. But don't burn your garlic. You ain't gonna want that. Anyways, looking nice and brown. So what goes first? We're learning this together, guys. We are learning this together. Okay. What goes first? What goes first? Chicken or the egg? Yeah. Okay, guys. Drop it. Okay. You know what? Okay. You know what I have in here? The pork comes with a sauce, right? And that's the sauce that I mixed in with the thing. I'm going to mix this all together, guys. Even the prawns. The prawns just need warming through. So that goes in there. Give it a little toss. Yeah. Give it a little toss around. Just to warm it slightly through. And I want my mixed veggies just to heat up a bit. Looks good on its own. Ooh, la. Okay, hang on, guys. Just want to taste it. Stop that. Yeah. Have a pangai lima. The taste of barbecue pork. I love it. I know. Some people don't eat pork. Sorry about that, guys. Now, I'm going to put in the rice. See, guys? Not so hard when you think about it. See, guys? Look. Okay. And then you just pour the sauce over, guys. Right. Pour the sauce over. Yep. Put that there. And then we're going to mix it. Mix it all together. Ooh. It's coming together, guys. Have faith. Have faith. Have faith. I think I'll pack in some of these chives. Yeah, I chucked a lot in because I wanted the fresh spring onion, but yeah, gotta make do with what you have. Ah, yeah. So, that's what it looks like so far. Ooh-hoo. You know what, guys? I like my fried rice a bit oily. So, there we go. I do. When I order my fried rice from the Asian shops, and then I see it's oily, oh, beautiful. Anyway, let me turn it down. I'm gonna cook the egg, guys. So I'm gonna, hey. So I'm gonna turn it around. You guys gotta ring up the fire brigade, guys, cause hey, I'm gonna get burnt soon with my cooking. Yeah. 1, 2 eggs. Yep, 2 eggs. Where's my fork? Hang on. Oh, here's my fork. Oh, fork. Where's my fork? Now. Yeah, look at that. I'll move the rice there so I can fry this egg. Hiya. So fry the egg. Nearly cooked. And then toss it together with the fried rice. See? Share it around so every bit of rice can have a bit each. All this summer I was worried about making fried rice, not even that hard. Far out. Not even hard, guys. Such a professional. Yeah. Cool, aku lor mea rei. Can't wait to dig into this. Far out. All my kids are gonna think, Mom, you're a chef. Oh. Guys, I gotta have a taste, right? Wait, I've got to taste and see if it's got enough salt. Guys, it don't need anything. Just need a little bit of pepper though. Oh, I'm turning this off and I'm locking this. Professional. Professional. Oh, well, man, this is so, like, fun. Oh, bring my kids, ring them. Let them know their mama's gonna start making fried rice. Oh, all their time scared for nothing. Wow. This is actually easy peasy. Anyway, I gotta get me some. That didn't even take long. That took 700 o'clock to make. Okay, guys. Yeah. Oh, smoky. Yeah. Whew. Oh. Look, I shouldn't have, well, I had to taste it, guys, so. But anyway, for now, I have to, a bit of soy sauce went on my new e-leveler. It's not new, guys. It's just washed. It was in my cupboard, and I thought, change the tablecloth. Okay. So if I look at Galawailu, I'm going to do my prayer, and then we're going to eat. I might get burnt, but guys, I'm gonna give you guys a bit of prawn. Okay, yeah, that's for you guys. You know what I'm tasting as I'm going? The prawn, and then I could taste the soy sauce. Then I could taste a bit of corn that I popped in my mouth. It tastes nice, guys. You guys can put this together in no time. You know what? I should have put some coriander, but never mind. The onion, the garlic, oh, it's just so nice. Just barbecue. It's got a lot of flavors because I used the sauce that came with the barbecue pork. Then I used a bit of oyster sauce. So all that sauce and the oil mixed together. Anyway, guys, I want to talk to you guys about something today. Oh, the sugarcane drink. Beautiful. Such a beautiful drink. Sugarcane, straight from the sugarcane. Oh. My cousin, I had a cousin. When I was living in New Zealand, we would hang out, and I heard he was having a bit of problem with his daughter's boyfriend. Now, this guy, he really wanted his daughter, but they didn't want that. One, she's still very young. I can understand that. Well, this niece of mine was sneaking out to see her partner, her boyfriend, and I met the guy, and what I could sense from him, that he really cared for my niece, and that I like. You know, as long as they got our family members' best interests at heart. My niece went to her boyfriend's house because I don't know. They went there, and then my cousin said, "You know what? Tell her." Told his daughter to stay away. He was too angry. So when he told me about it, I had a talk with my mum because she was staying here with my other sister, and I was living in New Zealand at the time. So I mentioned it to my mum, like, you know, that my cousin has banned his daughter from coming home, and you know, he was too angry at his daughter's boyfriend and her at the same time. So, and my mom, man, she really cares for this cousin of mine, and she said, everyone loves their kids. So if they go to a family and they're not accepted, and you know, by their other family, it's not nice, you know. So I told that to my cousin. I said, "Cuz, You know what my mom said? She said, you know, give the boy a chance. Because, you know, what my mom said, they become, you know, your child too. This newcomer into the family. And if you look after them, they'll be a help for you, you know. And, you know, so he took it well, because after that, not probably good to what my mum said, but after everything got smoothed down, her daughter and the guy, they got married. They have beautiful kids now. So look at that, eh? Look at that. Because I tell you what, in-laws can be a, you know, they can be a godsend, you know? Because my parents, when we bring our partners in, as long as they show respect, you know, don't be, but they accept all our partners. So I learned from that. Well, every in-law is, or can be, you know, a contribution to our lives, right? I think so. As long as you treat them well, you know, you treat them well, and they feel like, you know, appreciated, then you got like another child in your family. And I tell you what, they do become like really good for the family, you know. They actually become your family as well. So that's a lesson that my mum taught me, and my dad. They accepted our partners. With my partner and my dad, he had a bit of issue in the beginning, only because there were things that my dad didn't like. My mum always said to me, look for a man in the pub. Oh, no, she did not. I'm telling my mum I said that. She, oh my gosh, that's opposite of what you would even think. She always said to me, look for a man, look for your partner, or look for a man in church. So girls, imagine that. You're going to church, but you're looking around for a partner. No. Who you meet is who you meet. Wherever you meet them, as long as they're good people. I mean, I met mine at a party. Tastes like a pub. This fried rice is actually nice, guys. I don't know what went wrong with the fried rice that I made. You know, it was never real. This is really nice. I should put it in a container. Wait for my husband to come home and say, here, fried rice. And if he goes, oh, yeah, I'll go, yeah, I made it. If he goes, where you get that fried rice from? I go, don't you ever talk to me again. This is bomb diggity. Okay. If you haven't made a fried rice, you make this nice. You chop up the prawns, the meat, and everything else you saw. I'm going to tell you something. If someone comes into your family, make a fire, say, man, whoever thought of that idea, like they gotta come and do all the jobs, and that's not equality, guys. Hey, when you think about it, My husband, my dad, we used to serve him. No, they're not even nice. I used to say to my dad, no, don't. Oh no, because my dad, he got really close with my husband, and every time we turned up, it's like he's excited to see us, so he'll get up straight away and have a cup of tea. Make us not make me, make Tangaro a cup of tea. Rude? No. Far out, man. Oh, I don't want my dad doing my cup of tea or my food. Oh, wow. We serve our parents, not the other way around. This is so cool. Guys, I don't know if your fellas' parents are still alive, but if they are, treat them real good. Yeah, so guys, you know, that's why I say, love your family. Love your family. That's all you have is your family. And then some really good friends. Oh. My auntie got put to rest today. I couldn't stop crying there. I feel so bad for my cousins. Oh, gonna miss my auntie when we go to Samoa. Because they say in Samoa, Vaivasitai, guys. We live next door to each other. My dad's house there, then my auntie that passed away. Beside her is my other auntie, that's a sister. Beside my auntie there is their brother. And right on the front of because the road goes all the way back. And right in the front is my other uncle, my Uncle Sil. That's the one I always say, he makes the best luau's. Reminds me of how Jamily TV, how he always says, Joe, how he always says, my auntie makes the best balusami. Well, my uncle made the best. My uncle, so beautiful. Yeah, that generation is moving on. And my husband said, well, the generation next is you. And I said, you? You're older than me. You know, joke around like that, but unfortunately we all have a turn. But the best gift you can do for yourself is keep with the Lord. That you can find yourself being saved in God's kingdom. Man, this is nice. This is my dinner. I feel like there's always waiting for my son to bring back my barbecue pork and my spring onion. And then he forgets my spring onions. Rude, guys. Shout out. Where's it? Let me say hello to Fiona Weir from Papua New Guinea. Hello, Fiona. And Terry Mane wants me to give a shout out to baby Uluiki and the Makani family from Brooklyn. And then hello to you guys. And then Aituvalu Nemuelu said that they made their first kale mā moe, and they loved it. Yeah, thank you for that, for letting me know. Rebecca Laulu from Arizona made mā moe and spinach for the family dinner, and they loved it too. So guys, there's many more people that told me that they've made the food that I've put up. Sorry for not mentioning you guys on that, but I do read your followers' comment, so I thank you so much for letting me know. Truly appreciate that. Thank you guys. But don't forget to make the fried rice wailua. Man, that was so nice. Anyway, you know why I'm leaving this bit? That's why I didn't eat that bit. I just eat this bit here. See, stop it. Because I want to leave that bit for my honey bunny. So, lolo, honey bunny. What's the time? Yeah. It's, what's the time? 700 o'clock. What? Yeah, almost 10 past 6. He gets home about 6:30. So, I'm going to give that to my honey bunny sugar poops. And I'm going to go, honey bunny. Yeah, have this. And if he says, I'm going to go, rude, why is it ooh? And then you'll tell me why. And then, you know what? He is not allowed to talk to me for 700 hours. How long is 700 hours, guys? 700 hours. Oh, I don't know. But anyway, now, what we normally do, he and I, we will watch a movie together, right? And my mum is there too. She's sleeping, waking up, sleeping, waking up. And anytime I move, like if I get up and go and make a coffee or something, she gets up straight away. Are we going now? You know, she always thinks that we're going to go to our bedroom. And I go, no. My poor mum, she's so like she follows me around. And I understand, because I did nursing home for a bit. And I tell you what, man, it's so rewarding. So rewarding just to see the older people. And after a while, they get to know your face. So when you walk through the room, they got their smile for you, waiting, you know. It felt cool. Nursing homes are good places to keep your parents if you're unable to do it. It's really like, the food is good, the service is good. There's always just that one or two horrible kind of people that will come and mistreat. But it's rare these days because now they're keeping an eye on those kind of things, you see. I don't know what you guys think, but I think there should be always cameras. If not the camera, have at least a hearing aid, like something you can hear. So the RN should always check up on these things, keep an eye on the staff, because it's no good people put their parents in aged care and then they get mistreated. I'm telling you, most of the daycare people, they're really awesome people, because I worked at different facilities doing my work placement, and they're really good, you know. I see that they care, you know. I love that. I see that they care for these people and they, you know, communicate with them like their own. But I did see something and I wasn't happy with it, and I gave them that kind of look like, no, don't do that, and you better not. I just didn't like it. Hey, I just gave them that. I don't like that, what I just seen look, you know, to them. But most of them, the carers, awesome people, awesome. Just the love that they show the residents, beautiful. You can just feel that you're gonna, you know, your parents, whoever owns these parents, they're gonna be safe. They're gonna be all right in the hands of these caring ones. It's only the odd. But anyway, there's some residents, guys. It's so sad. Like a whole year, no one, not one person rings up for them, checks on them. I don't know. I can't understand some people. I really don't. Anyway. Oh well. You just hope that God keeps them safe. I love old people. I do. I love old people. Because, you know, like, their life is just resting, getting ready for, you know, their long rest. I was going to be working at a, you know, look at me, I'm nearly 500 years old, but I really wanted to work in a nursing home. But then my mum came into my care, so that was put on hold. But I really, when I done my work placement, they put my name down because they said they really like how I worked. And I was excited in my heart. I was so excited. I came home and I was telling my husband what the man told me, that they were talking about me in the office. Oh, I felt, oh, can't wait. Then my mum came in my care and I thought, oh well, I can't go out there and care for others when my mum needs me right now. So I stayed. I didn't look for the work anymore. I just stayed and looked after my mum. Yep, that's me. That's life right now for me. I'm thinking, would they still accept a 500-year-old lady after, you know, when my mum is no longer here? My mum said to me, and that is so true. There was a time my sister was over here seeing my mum, and then she asked my mum, what would you want us to do when you pass away? And my mum, being cheeky sometimes, you know, she turned around and said, don't plan my funeral, because you never know, it could be yours. Rude, but, you know, she's right when you think about it. You know, but it's always nice to know what your parents were like, hey, so you can do something nice for them, because that's what they requested. That was my sister's point. But my mum, she can be a bit cheeky sometimes with her replies. Well, you wonder where I get my cheekiness from. So blame my mum. This is really lovely. And whoever asked me to make the fried rice, I'm so sorry. I looked everywhere for your name, but there's just so many comments. I couldn't find your name in time, guys. But when I find your name, I'll let you know. Sorry, guys. Anyway, I just gotta finish this because it's now 6:15. Okay, so I want to go meet my honey bunny and say, look, lovely fried rice, have some. I'll let you know what he says. I say for guys, God bless, okay?